Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that's kind of in a honeymoon period here, trapped between the 200-day moving average on the SPY and then that Trump trend line to the upside, been grinding out sideways. But just like the old show, the honeymooners, Ralph eventually got in trouble. So I think we're going to have a Wreck-It Ralph kind of moment here in the market, especially when we break that 200-day moving average. Earnings season coming to an end. Earnings good, but the response of the market not so much. Stock that I also don't like simply post earnings is Alibaba, BABA. Stock had been up 8 days in a row until today, up about 15% over that time period as well. More importantly, the skew on the options, the out-of-the-money calls versus the puts, actually reversed here with the out-of-the-money calls trading at a higher IV than the similar out-of-the-money puts. That's a very rare occurrence indeed. Normally that's flipped over. Also shows just a level of over-exuberance on Alibaba to the upside. Earnings were fine, revenues were good. However, operating margins at the lowest level ever at 15%, so they're following the Amazon kind of model. Spend your way to revenues. We'll have to worry about earnings later. We'll see if that comes to fruition. Plus, for a half a $1 trillion market cap stock of 50 PE is certainly not inexpensive. Otherwise, saw some big unusual put buying in FTR, Frontier Communications, even post earnings and post a huge rip higher. And the August at the money 11 puts finally seeing some weakness in Frontier here. More importantly, did a vol capture trade. So the August 9 puts, the August 13 calls, just looking for that implied vol, which went from about 60 to over 80 to come back down and take the trade off in a neutral fashion. So be interesting to see what happens come next week as we kind of end earnings season here, which has been good, but certainly the market's response less than good. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.